Right, so this is the tape measure stating 6 meters 70. This is a bumper of my car. The tape measure is running all the way to that car, so it's 6 meters 70, not quite 7 meters. And now we're going to have a look what it looks like in the car, in the mirror and on the dash cam. There we go. It's a tablet showing the view from the dash cam live with the tape measure still there. I'm not sure how much glare there's going to be. And this is the view in the mirror. So 6 meters 70. I'm going to move the mirror for my eye view, eye level. That's how far it is.